Hello everyone, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video, we are going to see what are the rules and regulations in type conversion in Java. So let's start. Type conversions with example. Java provides various data types just like any other dynamic programming languages such as boolean, char, int, unsigned int, signed int, float, double, long, etc. It provides various primitive and non-primitive data types. In total, it provides 7 type of data types where every data type acquires different space while storing in memory. Means in every data type it acquires different space. Means um, int store 4 byte, let's say, and boolean store 1 byte, char store 2 byte. In that, the the memory created in the system will be different according to the data type. When you assign the value of one data type to another, might not be compatible with each other. If we assign a value, let's say, if we assign int a is equal to, let's say, true, then it is not compatible because we have assigned the numbers to a variable and we are allocating the boolean type of data, then it will not take. If the data type are compatible, then Java will perform the convergence automatically, known as automatic type convergence. Example. So this is the table where data types are there and bits required in memory. Means what the memory allocated to the memory data type if we created the data type in memory. So boolean is created 1 byte, byte is created 1 byte, then character is created 2 bytes, and short is created 2 bytes, int is created 4 bytes, and long is created 8 bytes, and then 4 float is created 4 bytes, and then double is created 8 bytes. So these are the memory acquired in the system by the data type. Conversion takes place only when two data types are automatically converted. So how they are converted automatically? First condition is that the compatibility, it should be compatible. And second, destination should be greater than the source data type. Destination type should be greater than source type. Say we are converting integer, it has 4 bytes in memory. Let's say we have taken 25 and we are converting this 25, its integer type of, to the long, which has 8 bytes. So it will convert integer to long data type, and it has 8 bytes, and you are converting the long data type into the float data type. Let's say float data type. Will it convert? It will not convert into the float data type, because the float data type has less memory, or it acquire less space in the system. So that's why it will not be compatible to the long data type variable. Way, so byte will be compatible with short data type. Short data type will compatible with the long int data type will be converted into long data type is compatible with the float, and float data type is compatible with the double. But in reverse order it is not possible. Float cannot Double cannot be converted into float. Float cannot be converted into long. Long cannot be converted into int. Int cannot be converted into short, and short cannot be converted into byte. So these are the type convergence details in the Java programming language. Thank you for watching this video.